Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about conditional expression function. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? You can check from a Snowflake playlist. And this is my Snow side web UI. One request viewer, please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. So let's get started with conditional expression function. There is two methods to apply conditional expression in Snowflake. First one is case expression using and second one is using decode function. In this video we will learn about case expression and in another video we will learn about decode function. So let's start with case expression. A case statement in Snowflake is a way to specify multiple conditions and execute different actions based on them. It provides the use of if then else logic within a SQL statement as you see in another programming language. There is two methods to apply case statement. First one is simple and second one is search expression. Here we can use expression and column name, then we compare value 1 with this column name in case expression and then results. Here is case, when, then, else, and is keyword and else is optional keyword. Okay, so this method is more flexible than this one because here we can use as many column as you want, but here we can use only one expression or one column name and compare this column name with this value. And here we can use case, when, then we can apply condition. Here first column, here we can use first column, second column as you want and as on condition as you want. So let's understand by example. Here I am using Snowflake sample data and tpch underscore sf1 schema and using customer table. Here I am selecting customer key, account balance and market segment and apply case statement. Here we apply market segment, then market segment is machinery, then we apply the 1.10 to increase the account balance to 1.15. When market segment is building, then increase the account balance to 1.15 as shown as you apply condition, as here I am comment. If this condition is not satisfied, then we put here else keyword and put here account balance. If not satisfied, then same as account balance salary. If you execute this statement, you can see the results here. When household, here is household is not applying condition, so this is same salary. Here building is not also in case statement, so same salary. You can see here when market segment is machinery, then we increase the account balance to 1.10 multiply by account balance, so this one is salary. Okay, let's see another example. Here I am using simple method and here I am using comparison search expression. This query and this query give result same. Here we selecting customer key, account balance and market segment, then we can apply case statement. When market segment is equal to machinery, then we increase the salary by 1.10 to account balance. And here we can apply case, then column name. Here we apply case, then when, after that column name and compare the value. Here market segment is building, then 1.10. If not any condition apply here, then put here in else statement as a revise account balance, as a give alias name. Okay, if you execute this statement, you can see the result. Here you can see machinery, then account balance is increased to 1.15 and when building then 1.10, otherwise account balance you can put here 0 as well. You can see the result. Not any condition certified, then give the result to 0. Okay, if you did not use else statement, then it's give null as a result. So here I am not using else statement, so let's see the example. Here selecting customer key, account balance, market segment and use case statement. When market segment is equal to machinery, then increase the account balance to 1.5. When market segment is building, then increase the account balance to 1.5. Otherwise, not any apply condition. And as a give else name devise account balance. So if you did not use else statement, then by default it's give null value as you see here. So it's also important to know this. Okay. Now let's understand why. Another example here. I am using order table from the tpch underscore sf1 schema and snowflake sample data. Okay, here I am selecting order key, order status, and we use case statement. Here case order status is equal to O, then open, equal to F, then completed, equal to P, then progress, otherwise unknown. If you execute this statement, you can see the result. Okay, O, then open, F, then completed, P, if P appear, then progress. Okay. Here I am using first column name. Here we apply when column name equal to O. This is another method of case statement. When order status is equal to O, then open, order status is F, then completed, order status is P, then progress. If you execute this statement, you can see the result. Okay, let's do another example. Here I am selecting order key, total price from order table, and tpch underscore sf on schema, and we apply case statement in total price. When or total price is greater than equal to 50,000, then high value, total price is greater than equal to 10,000, then medium value, else low value. If you execute this statement, you can see the result. We will attach this example as a PDF in description box. You can download and practice. One request, viewer, if you like this video content, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.